Good day. I am Eric Baklig, Section Supervisor of Clinical Chemistry. So we are using the XCS for almost 5 years from now. XCS means excellence in analytical system, but I will have another meaning of that. So part of it, uh, ex- in XCS, and letter E means excellence or excellent analyzer in terms of accuracy and reliability of results. X is for zero to minimal downtime. And I, it is ideal for small, medium, large laboratory. A for accurate and reliable results. Zero to minimal complaints. Then we are also certified by NIQAS. So we have the certificate there. Then S for support, technical support, 24/7 support by SBSI. So they will address all our inquiries regarding with the analyzer. So the advantages of this electrolyte analyzer, it is a maintenance-free single-use cartridge and electrodes. It is excellent for accuracy and reliability of results. It improves our turnaround time, and we experience no wastage. Then the analyzer uses only 20 microliter of samples and gives in 25 seconds you have the results. Then the advantage of this is especially when the patient is difficult to extract or the pediatrics. So it is the most advantage in the market right now.